the science behind why people gossip. All humans partake in gossip in some form. Everyone talks about other people. One study found that male participants spent 55% of conversation time and female participants 67% on socially relevant topics. People like to think of gossip as the same as malicious rumors, but researchers define gossip as talking about people who are not present. Gossip gives people the ability to spread useful information to large social networks. Without engaging in different discussions, we would be unable to maintain societies. A 2019 meta-analysis found that the 467 participants spent around 52 minutes a day gossiping. Most of it was neutral, 15% considered negative gossip and 9% positive. It helps us get information about people from others when the network is too big to get it firsthand. Gossip offers teachable moments and provide examples of what's socially acceptable and what's not. People want to be seen positively by others and fit in socially. Gossip can spread the reputation of someone. Gossip facilitates bonding and closeness. It can also serve as a form of entertainment. Gossip can help to keep people in check morally. Some type of gossip should be avoided, such as harmful gossip that serves no greater purpose. There is actually a psychological distinction between active and passive participation in gossip. A study showed that when subject heard about another person's antisocial behavior, their heartbeats increased. When they actively gossiped about the person, it helped them calm their body.